Hi everyone, it's Jill from Feed the Swimmers. I'm here for Feedfeed TV to bring you another episode of Fresh from the Markets. And today I'm going to make you guys a bright, crispy winter salad. Winter root vegetables always sort of get a bum rap and everyone assumes they can only be roasted. But when you handle them for a raw preparation, they're really quite vibrant and delicious and certainly colorful. So you don't usually expect that you can use ugly root vegetables and create a beautiful, fresh, bright, crunchy, delicious raw salad. But that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use red beets, golden beets, an assortment of radish in various colors, and apple. So to get all of these vegetables prepped, the first thing we're going to do is wash them. Even though we are going to peel the beets, you still want to wash them thoroughly so you don't drag any dirt through the produce while you're peeling. A few quick notes. I've started peeling the beets, but you do want to peel the golden ones last because what happens is as this oxidizes, the edges can turn black. I'm going to save fennel fronds to add as seasoning at the end with some other fresh herbs like cilantro and parsley. And I don't toss out radish greens or beet greens. You can saute them. You can feed them to a neighbor's guinea pig. You can compost them. I love using a mandolin for this salad to get uniform thin slices. I like this simple one. And to make things sort of foolproof, I love using this no-cut glove. Okay, so one quick thing I want to show you is I like to slice the apple slightly thicker than I do the beets. So now that I have these done, I'm going to adjust the mandolin slightly and attack the beets. So we've got everything all sliced up. I've gone ahead and with each beet slice turned it into quarters. So it's a nice bite-sized thing. I'm going to toss these up. And the red beet is going to stain everything. So you are going to have somewhat of a pink salad. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to tend to our fresh herbs. So we've got this amazingly beautiful, colorful bowl of crispy and flavorful vegetables. And the dressing is ultra simple. It's equal amounts of cider vinegar and good olive oil. Okay. And for a quick little hit, I'm just going to add like a quarter teaspoon of Dijon mustard to pump up the flavor a bit. I'm going to dress this. And this can handle a lot of dressing, so don't worry about overdoing it. Always taste before you go. I'm going to go a little heavier on the vinegar. Okay, so it's that simple. No need to roast, no need to parboil, no need to blanch, nothing. Just slice everything nice and thin. Make it really colorful. It's delicious. It has just the right amount of acidity. It has a great balance of sweetness from the apples and the cider vinegar, and that little touch of Dijon just makes it really special. And I promise that this will be a crowd pleaser. I want to thank the Feedfeed for hosting Fresh from the Markets. Please check out feedtheswimmers.com and Feed the Swimmers on Instagram for more delicious and fresh ideas. And I'll see you guys in a couple of weeks when we'll be back for more with another fresh seasonal recipe.